Drop it.
Hello, welcome to Start Techie. Well, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can create a YouTube account very simple and easily. Do you understand? Very simple and easily. In our previous lesson, I taught you how to sign into your Gmail account. Do you understand? Your Google account. Or maybe if you don't know how to create a Google account, I'll leave the link at the description down below. Okay, so you check it out. And if you don't know how to sign in into your Google account with your new device, being your laptop, your computer, whatever, your phone and other stuff, just I have a link at the description down below. I'm going to leave it there. Then just go and check it out. Okay. So what you're gonna do is just type in www.youtube.com. So I'll leave that in the description below. Okay, so now this is how your page will be like. Okay, so we have two ways of creating. You understand? One, what YouTube needs is your Gmail account, your Google account. Okay, to create a YouTube account. So how are we going to create? So first we have to log in into our device. Do you understand? Into our Google account on our device. So let's say if you are using a phone, you just have to sign in into your Google account. If you don't know how to create Google accounts, I told you, I'll leave the link at the description down below. Okay, and if you are using a computer too, that's what you're going to do. Just sign in and that's all. So I'm going to show you the two methods that I used to sign in into my device, my new device. Okay, so when you type in www.youtube.com, you have sign in over here. You understand? Just click on sign in. So add a new account. Well, so maybe when you click on sign in, this is where you'll be driven to. So just type in your Gmail account. So I have automatic save over here. Well, I love automatic save because my computer is right here with me. It's not actually save when you are using a public computer, just like maybe the cafe and other stuff. You just click on next. So that you just type in your password. So that is it. So we have signed in into our Google account. Do you understand? So if you use that method, it doesn't work. Didn't work out for you here. You just have to use this method. Simple. Okay. So now just click on this icon over here. Just click on that icon. So your icon that showed up here. Do you understand? So this is the icon of your Gmail account. Okay, because I've not set an image for it or a profile picture to it, that is why it has turned into this image with S. Do you understand? That is the name of SAS Media because it used the first letter of my email account. As you can see, this create a channel. Just click on that. So that's it. We are starting our creator live over here. So we are just getting started. Just click on get started. So now you have to, whether you are using the name of your Gmail account or your Google account, or you want to create a custom one. For me, I prefer you choose a custom one. Okay, just click on select. So that's it. So you give the name of or a title, a name to your YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to give it as Health Life Go. So I'm going to make it Health Life Go. So I'm going to make this capital. Health Life. Let me see this. Health Life Go. Okay, so you just have to accept their terms and conditions and click. So you mark this and click create. Okay, so that's it. Nice work. Your channel Health Life Go has been created. Okay, so that is it. So we're just going to upload any profile picture, any picture of our choice. So I have a video that teaches you how to create a banner or maybe a logo. You understand? Or for your brand, or for your for your brand, you can use this on your YouTube channel. You understand? Online for free without paying a penny. You understand? So I leave that at the description down below, so you go and check it out. Okay, so you can click on this icon over here, or just click on upload picture. Okay, then you're going to upload what you create, what you design. You understand? I have a word designed called Health Go. Think somewhere I made a design and I gave it Health Go. I made a design and for Health Go, so I'm going to find that design over here. I cannot say this is okay. So here is it. So I'm going to use this Health Go. So that's my design. Okay, so now we are going to write something about our channel. So tell viewers about your channel. What is your channel really about? Okay, so this channel is about health life. Do you understand? Health, fitness, and wellness. Do you understand? So get the best. So this is just type in whatever you want to write about the description. Okay, just whatever your channel is all about, just write it everything here. Okay, so you have opportunity to write 1,000 words. So I just wrote 1 and 2. You can write as many as you want. So if you have a website, you're just going to link your website over here. You understand? So I don't have any website, so I'll just leave it blank. And if you have your social media handle, like your Facebook, your Twitter account, your Gmail account, you understand? You're going to leave it here. So those who have already created an account, I have a link down description below that will teach you how to customize your YouTube account so that it will look attractive. You understand? So that you get all these links over there. When people get there, they can click on it. Do you understand? Okay, so that's it. Just type in if you have any social media handles on Facebook. Maybe you have a page on Facebook, you have Twitter account, Instagram account. Just write the username. Okay, just write your username or your profile name. So if I use health go live, I'm just going to write health go live over here. So let's say I use health go live for all the social media handles. Just going to write. So if you use different, just write okay, then click on save and continue. Congratulations, you have successfully created your YouTube account. So thank you for watching this wonderful tutorial. So as you can see, health live go, we have no subscribers. This is our profile picture, and see at the same here, it has reflected on our Gmail our account. Okay, so you just click, you can click. And if you want to know how to upload a video into your YouTube channel, you just have a link at the description down below. Just click on it and go and check it out. Okay, don't forget to like this video. Very, very important. Like this video, comment, and subscribe for me. Okay, just subscribe so that you won't miss out any great content I put out. Okay, thank you. See you.